Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's not waste the time with the introduction. So just watching before this video, please like, share and subscribe to this video because इस वीडियो में बहुत मेहनत लगी है, and if you want such videos more often, so you need to like, share and subscribe. At least 500 likes दे दो इस वीडियो को because बहुत मेहनत लगी है. So yes, I've already prepped using PERENNE toner and CETAPHIL moisturizer, and then using this NYX cosmetic primer, not primer, NYX cosmetic highlighter as a primer all over my face because I want a very dewy sort of look on my face, and using it all over my neck as well. Now using this Makeup Revolution stick, which is the cream foundation stick, and I will link every shade, every detail in the description part below, so you can go and check that out. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it all over my face and blend it well. The foundation is looking a lot lighter in this lighting in the footage, but in real it was matching quite to my skin tone, and yeah, it was fine in the real life, but in this lighting it's looking like it's very lighter than my skin tone. I don't know why. As I'm using some new lighting setup, I'll have to adjust 2 to 3 times, and then I'll be able to find what suits best for my videos. So yeah, after blending I totally felt that this foundation doesn't have a full coverage, and it has a medium, light to medium coverage. So I topped up with some more on the areas which I thought that I would need some more foundation, and blended with Beauty Blender. And in the next step, I used NARS foundation to make my foundation, my base, a little more full coverage because I wanted a good full coverage makeup. Next, using this Makeup Revolution concealer to highlight the usual areas. As you all know, I'm not gonna explain this each and every time because कितनी मेहनत लग रही है यार, you know ना कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं. So yeah, just watch it. For a full coverage, I went overboard with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer on the areas where I highlighted with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I don't know why did I want a very full coverage look, but I actually wanted a very full coverage look. So yeah, here I went with this. To set all that up, I'm going to use this patch contour and compact palette, and will use those lightest color of this palette to set all the areas where I have applied concealer. Using this angular brush from PAC, I'm gonna take the contouring colors from this palette. I'm gonna contour my jawline, my cheekbones, and my nose. So for my nose, I have used a very different sort of brush, which is a triangular shaped brush from PAC. I love that brush personally. So every brush number and every other detail will be linked in the description part below. So don't forget to check that out, guys. And please, this video, I have done so much of efforts in shooting this video because the eye look that I have done in this video took like almost half an hour for me to do, because to get that perfect blending. And yeah, so I have taken up so much effort for this video, so please at least give 500 likes, please, please, please. Is bar pahuncha do, because if you want such more eye looks again in future, like for these eye looks, you need to hit that like button. Palette 35B. Yes, it is 35B, because I love this palette. I'm sorry, I love this palette personally, just because it has all those vibrant colors, and I'm a vibrant color lover. So here I have already concealed my eyelid and then set it with a translucent powder. So here I'm picking up a yellow based color. I'm sorry I could not show it to you, but yeah, you will find out which yellow color I'm talking about once you enter into the next clip. So I am using this yellow color with a flat fluffy brush from Faces and putting into my crease and my outer corner. So I'm going to use it as my transition color in my crease and blending it well. Next, I'm going to take this orange color and pat it above that yellow color. So yeah, as you have seen in the clip, there's a yellow color in the palette, so that is which I have used for my crease, for the transition. Next, I have used this fluffy brush from PAC and gonna blend that orange color again with yellow, because I don't want to get rid of yellow at any cost, because I want that as a transition color in my eye makeup. Now taking that magenta pink color, I just don't remember the color name. I'll put it in the description part below, so you can go and check that out, which colors I have picked from this palette. And I'm topping it up on into my crease, but just below that yellow and orange, right? And next I'm taking this red color, and above I'm using it above that pink color to intensify my crease a little more, because the more the colors are intensified in the cut crease, the more the cut crease will look good and amazing. It will look more crisp in that way. Now using a small concealer brush, I'm gonna cut my crease. This is my trick to cut my crease. I apply a little bit of concealer around my eyelid waterline, and then I open up my eye. Then the eye leaves a mark on my crease, and that is the place where I have to actually draw my crease. And here I'm doing so. Once the crease was done, once the cut crease was done, I took this pencil brush from PAC and took this mauvey purple color and used it as a shading color, transition color between the crease and the outer corner. So yeah, so I am using it to diffuse all the colors with the concealer. And now using this beautiful finely made glitter from the PAC and applying it at the place where the concealer and the pink orange color meets, only at that place. Now as usual, using my favorite eyeliner. Faces and All Time Pro Kajal in my lower waterline. And next, I'm gonna use my favorite mascara, and a mascara which will not smudge for 3 days. And it's the proper waterproof mascara from Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this one because मैं मुंह धोती रहती हूँ और ये mascara तो भी नहीं जाता. It's totally waterproof. With the makeup remover also, the mascara doesn't come off properly. Now using this white pencil from Maybelline in my waterline because I want my eyes to look more bigger, and I'm using it only in the inner corners and the inner part of my waterline. Now setting up whole of my face with the compact, and now using this NYX amber or amber, I don't know what it is called, blush from NYX. I love this peachy color blush, and I am dancing over here listening to song. Please bear with that. So yeah, I'm using this MAC. Oh my darling. Look at me, yaar. Okay, I'm using Oh My Darling highlighter to highlight my highest points. And you know, guys, I'm sorry about this because while editing, I did not come to know that I'm doing these actions. Now, जब मैं देख रही हूँ, so now I can feel how weird I am looking. I was actually listening to my favorite tracks and I was dancing on that because that's the like best time pass while you are shooting for a video. And yeah, I love this brush. This brush is from Morphe. Basically it is a concealer brush, but I use it for my highlighter purpose, and it's a flat top brush, but it's beautiful. I love it. And next I'm going to use this LAKME Absolute lip color, which is the new edition, but I don't know the name of this lip color. I always forget, so I'll link down everything in the description part below, so you just go and check that out. Don't forget to check it out. And what else after this? I think my look is complete. So yes, my look is complete. And now last but not the least, which changes the whole look, it like gives a natural look to my whole face and takes away all that powderiness from my face, and dab in my lip blender so that the makeup setting spray gets absorbed. So this is what the look was, and if you really want this hairstyle tutorial, so I'll upload it in my next video. So comment down below if you want this hairstyle tutorial, and please comment down below how you like it, and if you did so, please like, share and subscribe and give it at least 500 likes. So for the next time, bye. I love you.